Most dropshippers wait weeks for a sample before testing a single ad. Today, we're making 50 static ads from just a product link. No sample, no designer, no Canva. So stay till the end because I'll show you the one setting that separates ads that just look good from ads that actually convert. So this is how most people still test products nowadays. You find a product, you order a sample, you wait 3 to 5 weeks, you hire a designer, or you try to make the ads yourself on Canva. You spend between $100 to $200 on creatives, you launch with 2 different variations and hope something works. Or they hire designers paying $50 to $150 just for a batch of static ads. Most dropshippers are spending between $200 to $600 per product before they even know if it's going to sell. So the entire process, it's outdated. Because by the time you launch, you've already lost time, money, and momentum. And if you're running Facebook ads, Meta ads, or TikTok ads, that just delays and kills your ability to test properly. So dropshipping in 2026 looks completely different than what it did a few years ago. Almost everything has been automated with AI. Product research, competitor analysis, pricing, even fulfillment and customer support. You can now run a lean store with a fraction the overhead that used to be required. So creative production got solved as well. You can generate high quality video ads from product images in minutes. But one assumption, it's still holding people back. The idea that you need to order a sample before you can test anything. By the way, if you're new here, this is Joel with Creatify. Here, we show you how to turn simple inputs into high-performing ads using AI. This is something we see all the time. Brands find a good product, they get excited, they go through the entire process, they wait for the sample, they try to make some creatives, they launch a couple ads, and when they don't work, they just assume their product is bad. But let me tell you something. Most of the time, that's not the issue. The issue is speed and volume. There just aren't enough variations being tested to actually find the winner. Now, here's what changed. AI removed the dependency on having the physical product. That made sense before, when you needed the product in your hand to create the whole content. But that dependency is gone. Today, you can generate high quality ads from supplier images by itself, which means the sample is no longer required for testing. It's something you get after a product, it's already showing results. But most people haven't adjusted to that yet. They're still applying AI to video, but not to your static ads. And that's the gap, because static ads still perform extremely well in Meta, but you need volume. You need multiple variations, angles, and formats. And the old way doesn't give you that. This doesn't replace creativity. It just lets you produce more of it faster and more efficiently. So instead of waiting weeks and testing 1 or 2 creatives, what if you could take a single product link and instantly generate dozens of static ads? I'm going to show you how to skip that entire process. So let's do exactly that. So instead of doing all of that manually, designing the creatives, writing the copy, coming up with new angles every single time, what if you could just take one product link and instantly turn it into dozens of different ad variations? That's exactly what we're going to do right now. And to do this, we're using Creatify. It's built specifically for generating ad creatives for platforms like Meta, TikTok. So let's walk through this step by step. All right, guys, so now I'm gonna walk you through step by step on how to set up the ads. So first, we're on the Creatify page. We're going to go to image ad, and this is where we're gonna submit the link. It could be from your supplier, an existing store, Amazon. So the good thing about Creatify, it's accept links from most websites and stores. So just for the example, we're gonna be using this cleaning toothbrush from AliExpress. So we're gonna go here, we're gonna copy and paste the link. We're gonna go back, and then we hit analyze URL. Now, we are gonna select the best pictures that we'd like. We can keep all of them, or we can just select the ones that we like the best. As for the brand name, let's just keep something that we think it's gonna be best for our brand, or if you already have an established brand, you can put that in there. For this one, we're just gonna do electric cleaning brush. All right, description again, totally up to you guys. For this one, we're just gonna keep it simple and leave the one from the original supplier. And down here, if you guys want to add the brand logo, your colors, you're more than welcome to do so. But for this example, we're just gonna keep it super simple. And last thing before we generate, this is where we wanna make sure that it's on portrait, so it's optimized for the phone. English is the language, unless you guys are targeting another language, another audience. And for images, here is where you could select between 10 to 20. For this one, we're gonna be doing 20 just for the example. Once we're ready, we're good to go. We hit generate. Now we have all those 20 creatives ready to go. And this is the beauty of this tool. It gives you so many different angles, the product in action, the product itself, with some nice CTAs as well. You can review all of these. You can keep the ones that you love. You can download the ones that you like as well. And it's super simple. You just hit download and you're all good to go. And the really nice thing about Creatify is it does let you edit each one of them. So if there's a specific heading or a specific subheading or even a call to action that you want to change, for example, you want to do buy now. You just go into revise and it generates it for you with just the little edit that you wanted to do. The other really nice thing that I wanted to show you guys, it's on the top left corner. You can bulk download all of the ones that you really love and the ones that you want to test. And even a better thing, you can hit on launch ads and you can connect either your TikTok or your Meta ad account, and it's going to transfer all those images directly to your ad account, which I think it's amazing. Now we've got 50 static ads ready to go from one single product link, different styles, different messaging, and different approaches. They're all ready to test on Meta and TikTok and export them ready to run immediately. And this is the real advantage. No design tools, no hiring designers, no waiting for samples, just more creatives, faster testing, and more chances to find what actually works. So the brands that are winning right now aren't the ones with the best single ad. They're the ones who are testing the most. More testing leads to faster winners, and faster winners lead to lower CPAs. This is a shift happening right now. The operators winning in 2026 are in guessing products. They're building systems that let them test a lot quicker and more efficiently. So if you want to try this out yourself, you can get 10 free credits to test Creatify with the link down below. And if you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.